Hello and welcome to the Partnership Puzzle. I'm so excited to have you here on this journey with me, and I'm extremely passionate about the content that I'm about to give to you. I'm really confident that you will achieve amazing results with your horses by the end of this course. So the concept of the Partnership Puzzle is that there are 10 puzzle pieces to put together. Now, just like with a conventional jigsaw puzzle, if you're missing one piece of that puzzle, the whole jigsaw puzzle doesn't look right at the end. It just feels like there's something missing. You end up feeling unsatisfied, and it's just not what you wanted, not what you set out to achieve. It's exactly the same in horsemanship. If you're missing one vital ingredient out of your horsemanship, then the whole picture is just not going to look right. The modules will cover a range of topics, from confidence to relaxation to yielding to pressure, and there will also be many extras from behaviour to psychology to body language. And don't worry, I'm not using a horse that's done any of this before. The horse that I'm using is completely new to this as well. He's never done any of this, so you will be learning along with him. I will be solving problems as they come up and also helping you to solve any problems that may come up with your horse. And I completely appreciate that no two horses are the same, and you might have a problem that I don't cover, but I will always be on hand to advise you wherever I can. If you're new to natural horsemanship, or if you've been doing it a while but you feel like something's missing, then the Partnership Puzzle is for you. I cannot wait to see you on this journey ahead.